So the next is, in case of output analysis, it is a stochastic nature of the output data. So consider one run of a simulation model over a period of time. Let it start from 0. Let the end time for the simulation be t. Since the model is an input output transformation, okay, IO transformation, and since some of the model input variables are random variables, it follows that the model output variable are also the random variables. Three examples are now given to illustrate the nature of the output data from stochastic simulation and to give a preliminary discussion of several important properties of this data. One example, let us see. Now this is what the example you are supposed to recall the topics from the first module, Abel-Baker call center problem, right? Abel-Baker revisited, it is called as. So consider the Abel-Baker technical support call center problem. As I said, you are supposed to revise the topics from the first module. So Abel is busy and Baker is busy. We have marked, we have written a table. Please go through. This is what first module topic is. Okay. Please go through it. So which involved customers, quick revision it is a, which involved customers arriving according to the distribution of table 2.11, they are saying it is from first module actually, and being served either by Abel, whose service time distribution is given, or by Baker, also his service time distribution is given. The purpose of the simulation is to estimate Abel's utilization. You can consider Abel's utilization and mean time spent in the system per customer, okay, over first 2 hours of workday. Therefore, each run of the model in for a 2-hour period with the system being empty and idle time is 0. For statistically independent runs were made by using 4 distinct streams of random numbers to generate the inter-arrival and the service time. So the next table will tell you about that. Okay, as you can see, the output data and all the sampling and all they have marked. As you can see here, result of 4 independent runs of 2-hour duration. 2-hour duration, it is called as both the servers Abel and Baker, they are busy. Their utilization table, it is result of 4 independent runs of 2-hour duration of Abel Baker queuing problem, call center problem. Okay, Abel's utilization and average system time with respect to each run is modeled here, and the result is given in the table. There are 2 general questions that will address by statistical analysis, say of the observed utilization. So this utilization, maximum utilization is 1, right? 100% in terms of percentage. Otherwise it is in terms of fraction, of course. In terms of percentage, in run number 1, that is 1 R1, you can say it is 80%, 80.8 or 0.808 is the Abel's utilization, and average system time in terms of minutes computed as around 3.74. So estimation of true utilization, it is observed by a single number called a point estimate. Estimation of the error in our point estimate in the form either of a standard error or of a confidence interval, they are saying. So students, please go through these descriptions which I am highlighting now. So please go through the description. Supportive documents I will be sharing on WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.